Today is June 7, 2023, and we have some exciting developments in the world of AI. First up, a team of researchers at MIT has developed an AI system that can identify emotions through speech patterns with incredible accuracy. This technology could have a variety of uses, such as detecting stress levels in call center representatives or helping people with autism better understand social cues. Next, Amazon has announced the launch of its new AI-powered grocery delivery service. Customers will be able to use the company's app to place orders, and the AI technology will then optimize deliveries based on real-time traffic data. This could mean faster and more efficient deliveries for millions of customers. In other news, researchers at Stanford University have developed an AI algorithm that can predict the onset of Alzheimer's disease up to 6 years in advance. By analyzing patterns in brain scans, the system can detect subtle changes that may indicate the early stages of the disease. Early diagnosis could lead to better treatment and improved outcomes for patients. Finally, Google has unveiled a new AI-powered assistant that can answer phone calls on behalf of its users. The system uses natural language processing to understand the caller's intent, and can respond to questions or offer to take a message. This could be a boon for busy professionals who struggle to keep up with the constant stream of phone calls. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more news on the latest AI developments.